Alright, so today I'm gonna teach you how to use my deck on Clash Royale. This is my deck. As you can see, it's a pretty simple deck, pretty easy to use, pretty intuitive, maybe, maybe not, I don't know. And we're jumping into it, we're jumping straight into it. Let's just see who we get. Just see what we get for ourselves. So I'm gonna start with the Goblin Hut. I'm gonna put the Musketeer right here. See what they have. Oh my god. Okay, they just use the rocket. Fine. It's fine, honestly. I'm gonna defend with the arrows, and I'm gonna use the baby dragon because I don't wanna take damage to my tower, and I'm gonna use the goblin barrel. No. Okay, they have the log. So I have to think about what I should do with this knowledge. I'm gonna use the tower. Oh, I misplaced it. It should be a little closer to, anyway, it's fine. It'll be fine. Okay, they're using the princess. Um, I think I'm gonna use this as an army here. Okay, they use the log. Now I can use the goblin barrel, and they also use goblin barrel. I don't have enough elixir, so yeah. Well, I caused a decent amount of damage to the tower, so I think it's fine. They cause more damage to my tower though. Let's see what I should do here. I don't know. I don't really know what I should do, to be honest with you. Yeah, I'm gonna use the skeleton army. And yeah, he took my tower. Against baby dragon and goblin barrel. Okay, now I should probably focus on getting the other tower. So I'm gonna use my cards here. There's musketeer. Gonna use the baby dragon. They're using this rocket again. I don't know why they love using this rocket so much. Like it's not a good card overall to use here, like in this situation. Really, it doesn't help that their towers have more health than mine. It doesn't really help. Um, Whatever, I'm gonna use barbarians, because why not, honestly. They're gonna use the log, so I can just use goblin barrel. If they throw a goblin barrel here, I can defend with the arrows, so should probably work on my defenses here. The dragon is taking the tower, so yeah. We won, that's it. That's how you use my deck.